My Jaecoo is PHEV, and I got it from Singapore on a Christmas day. Thought of adding the side steps, and these are the things which comes in. The side panel, you can see the top and the bottom are the brackets, top with the motor and the other fittings, nut and bolts. This is one of the main parts, the controller, and this is the wiring and the connector. This is the actual connector you can see here. And this is when it is connected. So this one is actually having a Bluetooth connection, which you can interface together with your mobile application. And the wheels, the motors are connected. Motors from the panels are connected through this, and directly comes over here. It's also having a connection to the battery, so you need the power. So for that, you have a positive and negative. You can see the wiring here. Sorry for not clear. I'm holding and doing this now. The red and the black. And apart from this, there's one more which goes into the car itself. So the car's controller. One good thing is that there's no need to cut any wires. It's all plug and play. So it comes with the connector. So when you're purchasing, specifically ask for the PHEV, Jaecoo J7 PHEV connector. So that need to go under the passenger side connector. This way you need to connect. You can see the black and white connector. Let me take out the panel, then it will be clearer for you to see. So here you can see this connector. This one is the one which they provide. So the colorful wires, that's the one it was initially connected. So this additional connector is the one which they provide. Previously, this was connected directly to this point. And now with this, you can actually plug in. And then from there, this black and red wiring is the one which is connected to the motor. And when I bought, they sent me wrongly. They sent me the one for petrol version, and that cannot be fitted because of this wiring there. So after I informed, they sent me another for the PHEV version. You can see the brackets are totally different. The one is the petrol version is more longer, and even the brackets are a bit short, but longer. No. So I had to put on hold my installation because of this. So after that, I informed them, and this is the one which they have sent. So they send me the other 4 brackets, two for front and 2 for back. And this is the one you can see the longer arms, so that it won't touch the tube. The PHEV version, I have got a lot of additional tubes. And this is how it is being fitted. You can see they provide these screws, which can be put inside. And after this has to be buckled together with the plastic one. I actually made a clamp to make it stronger. So I drilled using a aluminum small sheet sort of thing, and then put it so that it will be more secure. Actually, with this itself, if you tighten, it will be secure. But anyway, since I was trying out, before bringing to the workshop, I was trying whether it is okay or not. So I fitted the clamp. But for the electrical portion, I brought it to the workshop because I was also not sure. And the workshop also was trying out for the first time. I have done only for the petrol version. So underneath, this is where the clamps the brackets are to be attached. So I'm pointing to the bolt that need to be taken out. These 2 are to be taken out. And here you can see how this bracket will be fixed. Sort of sharing because I had a hard time sorting this out. So if you are ordering online and trying to fix yourself or getting your workshop to do, I think you have to better follow those and guide them, because there's no much installation guides given way to fix and all, so it was a try out thing. And for the front, this, after putting the plastic, this plastic sheet also comes with this, with a spare part. So once you put this, it won't move further. So for the front, actually there are 2 holes under the chassis, so it's to make use of those 2 holes and 1 on the side panel. And after that, the side panels, the side step panels have been fixed. There are 4 nut and bolts that need to be screwed. Once that is done, that pretty much those are the things which need to do for the fixing. And then after this, it is mainly the connection. So using the application, they will give you a code to scan. So using that application, you are able to connect to this device, and then from there you can adjust the steps. So initially it was like when you open the front door, only when the back door opens, the side step will come out. So by doing this, you can sync it up. So it is given in Chinese. Actually, you can use a translator and do that.
I'll carry you, but please